Okay, this technique is a smart U-Fue, unshaven or undetectable. You cannot see where's the harvesting area. But then when I lift it up here, this is exactly 7 days. We harvested here. Now the hair in this area already started to grow. We can cover here, you see, and then it's full cover here. And the lower quadrant, there's one more quadrant is here, and we can cover again. It's a comb, can cover. So patient can go out for function. He can go out and walk in a public area. Nobody knows the harvesting area is underneath and is hidden. We have grafted the area here with a good density, right angle, right direction. So as you can see, on day 7 there's no more micro scab. He already healed very well. Now the advantage of this is he can go out and he can use this existing hair to cover the hair transplant area like this.